video became messed up. Let's take a look at it. That's the coral back of me. Nice big house, 2,756 square feet. Let's go inside and have a look. Hot day here in Florida. Okay, so you got a nice flex room off to the left. I don't think I need this hat anymore, it's hot enough. And you got a 2-car garage. And I think that my battery is about to die, so I'm going to try to move a little bit quicker. Let's take a peek at the pantry. Here we have a bedroom, and a bedroom on the first floor is always fantastic to have. Especially when you have a full bathroom. Meaning it has a shower in here. There's a closet. I guess a shower or a tub and shower combination is great. I'm going to go to the left. Nice large bedroom. Full bathroom. And a fantastic, amazing, super loft. Look at that. Let's check out the closet. Closet, towel closet, HVAC room for sure. Laundry room. It's got the PEX piping all waiting to, or should I say, for you to install a sink if you want it. Some homes just come like that, and some don't. Sometimes it's extra. So you always have to find out. It's one of many things to find out. Because usually with builders, they may offer a few options, meaning you can have the plumbing connected, or you can have the plumbing connected and a sink as well. And a master bedroom, so fantastic. See, they put 2 seats in here, so you know it's a big one. And the toilet in the closet, just in case if I missed it. Toilet in the closet room. And the master bedroom closet, which is a smaller closet for a house this size, but I guess you have more space in the bedroom itself because of that. Now, did I open this? There's a closet. So who's this house for? Well, it's nice on the second floor because you have 2 bedrooms kind of off on the end. So as you can see, you got a bedroom here, and then the master bedroom is over here. So there's 2 bedrooms upstairs on one side, plus, of course, you have this other bathroom, I almost said, bedroom over here, and bathroom over here. So that is nice because it separates the house. So if somebody needs to wake up extra early and you don't want to wake everybody else up, this might be the room for them, or potentially the room that's on the first floor because they could use that. And then they have the kitchen and the living room and the dining room to take care of everything that they need to before they head off to work or whatever it may be. So I think that this is a really nice layout for a for a 2-story floor plan for people that need a house with a little bit of extra flexibility in that sense, because there's also this room as well, which could be converted into a bedroom if somebody came in and just put up a wall and a door. So just